YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you have been here before, and welcome if you're new. Thank you so much for taking the time to stop by. I'm excited to share with you a Creative Memories mystery box. So we do these 4 times a year. We do virtual crops every single month. Usually the second Friday and Saturday of the month. We do virtual crops, and we usually have, like I said, the box 4 times a year, just a mystery box. We don't know what's in it, and you can buy it, and just different stuff. And then you're challenged to make some of the items out of it, some of the layouts and stuff that they show you, or you can make your own layout. But anyway, so I'm going to go do my reveal is to show you what was in this month's mystery box, and I purchased it Black Friday. I can't remember if this had some stuff on it on layaway, not layaway, but on back order. I know my last haul had items on back order, and I forgot to show I got some more fill-in file sleeves. This is just storage sleeves that I use to store my borders that I make with my border maker. These come in handy for me because I have a lot of border makers, and I've bought these before. I just got 2 packs, and I had them at the last time I did a haul, and I forgot to show them. But these are just for your borders, for your 12 by 12 borders that you can put in here. And then I punch out and make. I bought 2 packs of those, and they come in a 5 pack. So they're 2.5 by 12, 5 sheets. So that gives you 10, 20, I'm sorry, 4 per page, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So you get 20 per pack that you can hold borders. And I got 2 of those. They also have them in the 6 by 12 slot, or 4 per page, or 2 per page, or the whole 12 by 12. And you can put them in any clearing notebook, or in this one that zips up. That's how I show mine. But let's get to the mystery box and see what's in here. Alrighty. So I see some paper and I see some punches. Boom. So one of the things that we always have is we always have a promo code. So if you spend $30, you can get one of these items from December 10th to the 30th. Blade, straight edge blade, repositional tape, regular tape runner, or either one of these mystery gifts. And you have a code that you can put in that you can get. And then let's see what we got. We got a complete paper collection. So I'm going to go through the paper first, and then I will go through the accessories to go along with it. So this is 6 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided printed paper with one side of foiled treatment. And that's what it looks like on the outside. Oh yeah, so you can see these are like silver foiled diamonds in there. I think you can see that. And that's the other side. So it's got a nice blue and yellow contrast. And then we have the striped, and on the back of this you see some silver foiled in there. Those little specks. And then you have this like ledger paper that you can use for journaling or for formats. And again, you have some silver foil there. And I think you can see that shimmer on the paper. So that is the forward collection. And then we have a regular, what's called Fast to Fab inspired designer paper. What I found, and it's 12 sheets of this. There's 12 double-sided. And that's how that looks. What Fast to Fab is, for somebody who wants to do a scrapbook album, They don't have all day. They're trying to get it done quickly. You can get it done in a couple of hours, a whole 12 layouts quickly with these albums. And so the neat thing about it is the pages are already kind of preset, so you can just slap the pictures on it. So they make it look like it's layered by giving you different colors here. So that's the front side, and of course you can do it like this. You know, you can do however you want to do it. So you can turn it any different direction that you want. Same thing with the back side. The B side. It just depends on how you want to do that layout. You know, totally up to you. Be creative. You can think outside the box with that. So, yeah. So these are designed to quickly get you to fill an album. So again, same colors and layout, except you have now these little images on it. And again, you can turn them any direction that you like. And these two paper pads match, they go together. So you can actually cut up the first paper pad and put the embellishments onto this one to make your pages look more complete or layered. And again, you can turn that brown around, or that blue. Sorry about the lighting in here. But you can turn these pages any direction that you like to make a layout. You can even do them like that, because they all do color coordinate. Two more cork pages, and two more of the blue pages. Only difference, they don't have the little stripes on this one. Then we have some more like ledger or notebook paper. These two sheets. And again, that's what the B side looks like. And again, you can turn it different directions, whatever suits your fancy. And you have the opportunity to put the date right there, which is really cool. And that's the B side of that one. So it looks the same, so it has that extra element. But of course, you can use that other paper pad, like I said, to cut out embellishments, or titles or whatever, or mats to go along with this paper pad, because they are the same color scheme. So you have those two paper pads, and then you have 3-pack sticker collection. Again, this is called Good Times, with the blues and the greens and the fuchsia. We got some lemons up here. And this says, this is everything and more. Best smile, admit one, take one, special moments, all good things, picture worthy, good times, ticket to my heart. I love living life with you. Time to party, capture, daydreaming together, grinning ear to ear. All we have is now. So much fun and curiosity. And then you have borders that you can use to complement those pages. So that's a 3-pack sticker pad. And then we have some laser cut embellishments. And so for that, let's see what we have. Does it say how many? So you got your little notebook, and these again nice quality. You can hear that. Double-sided, different colors. True story. A little banner. Another banner. New beginnings. Got these. They have different colors on the other side. Memories in the making. Life lately. Different colors on the other side. Anytime with you is a good time, so you can use either side. I didn't even look and see if these are, yep, they can use that either side as well. And this banner. Well, here we go. course, with a banner. Camera. 2022. 2021. Time for a fresh start. Like I said, these are nice. You can hear them, laser weight. Right here, welcoming the new year. So these are all of our good times. Those laser cut embellishments, and then an exclusive punch called Quilted Circles. And this is a decorative water punch. And that's what that looks like. Yeah, so I'm excited. I love getting new punches. And I look forward to making something like that. Oops. So that is the mystery box for December, the last one of this year. And I want to say thank you so much all the people who have purchased from me this year. I have greatly appreciated all the ones that emailed me asking questions about any of the products or how to use it or anything like that. Thank you so much as well. So thank you for your patronage. And if you have any questions or need anything demo, please let me know. Email me or inbox me. You can also check me out on my Instagram, DaretoBeCreative1. Wishing everyone an awesome new year. Even though I don't know when this video is going to be up. Probably won't be that late in the year, but I'm just saying it because it just came to my mind. And I will show my other punch that is on back order once I get it. But thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.